County in north central Texas, Denton County in north central Texas, Northern Tarrant County in north central Texas, until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:53 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Rome or near Briar, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Rome, Haslett, and New Fairview around 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Justin and Northlake around 7:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Flower Mound, Roanoke, Argyle, and Corral City around 7:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Denton and Martinsville around 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Around 7:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Corinth, Highland Village, and Hickory Creek around 7:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Louisville, Lake Dallas, and Shady Shores around 7:30